Welcome back to Get Lowered Cycles. Today we are continuing our exhaust feature videos with the Vance Hines 2-in-1 SuperSport exhaust on our 2025 Lowrider S. A couple of things we do like about this exhaust: fully heat shielded. It comes with their PCX power chamber exhaust technology, and it's 49 state emissions compliant. A couple other modifications we do have done to the bike is the M28 cam and HPI intake and throttle body. In today's video, you'll hear it start up, do a couple drive-bys, we'll feature the launch control, and we'll see what it does up on the dyno. Stay tuned.
Alright, so here you have it. This is the dyno chart of the Vance Hines SuperSport exhaust on the 2025 Lowrider S. As you can see, it made 123 horsepower and 127 foot-pounds of torque. Again, this is the Vance Hines SuperSport exhaust. This exhaust does actually have a catalytic converter in it, so that's kind of one of the reasons why we're seeing lower numbers out of this one.
Don't just take our word for it. Head on over to getlowered.com where you can shop for this and hundreds of other performance parts with real rider reviews and feedback. Thanks for watching. Hope it was helpful. Hit us up with any questions you might have. We're here to help you get the right parts for your ride. Peace.